5 quick and easy breakfast ideas for diabetics. Starting out the day with a healthy breakfast can benefit for everyone. This should be a healthy habit and especially important for people who are facing with diabetes. This habit also helps to support weight loss, which can positively improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity in your body. Some studies says that first meal of the day plays a very crucial role in determining your energy levels, which is steered by the glucose production in body. Here are 5 quick and easy breakfast ideas for diabetics for healthy going life, which are going to see now. Eggs. According to some studies, it has proven that a large-sized boiled eggs contains 16 to 7 grams of protein that helps to fight against diabetes. People who ate the most eggs were less likely to develop diabetes than those who ate the least eggs. It has also proven that people who eat eggs daily can reduce their body fat and BMI. So eggs are treated as one of the easy breakfast ideas. Oatmeal. Unsweetened oatmeal is another quick and easy breakfast option. It can be prepared very easily and also helps to decrease insulin resistance in some individuals. You can prefer some topping which are rich in fiber and protein that can help to provide balanced sugar levels rather than spike. Greek yogurt. Unsweetened yogurt is perfectly healthful and easy breakfast for people with diabetes. Greek yogurt mixed with fruit is another good way to start your morning. Greek yogurt has more protein and fewer carbs than traditional yogurt. Sprouts. Pulses are high in fiber and protein that which helps to control blood sugar levels. You can make your quick and easy breakfast with sprouts and chopped cucumber and tomatoes by adding some salt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Fruit platter with chopped nuts. A fruit platter with chopped nuts is a great way to start the day. Chop fresh fruits like apples, banana, oranges, pear, papaya, etc. and enjoy them with chopped almonds, walnuts and pine nuts. The monounsaturated fats in the nuts will help you feel full. The fruits helps to add extra fiber to your breakfast, which does not risk of blood sugar spike although it has sweetness in fruits. Conclusion. Breakfast is best chance to increase fiber in your diet. So kickstart your morning metabolism that helps to keep you healthy with the help of these 5 quick and easy breakfast ideas. Non-vegetarian diet plan for diabetes. Living well with diabetes means taking your medication as prescribed, managing stress, exercising regularly, and equally important knowing what foods are good and bad for keeping your blood sugar levels in healthy range. Diet plan. Diet plan depends on lot of things like your taste, medication and preferences. But my suggestion is to keep your carbs consistent. You have to follow a simple meal, but you should get enough nutrients and fiber from that food. However, if you are following a proper well-balanced diet for 6 days, you can treat yourself for 1 day. In this diet, breakfast plays very important role in everyone because first meal of the day plays a very crucial role in determining your energy levels, which is steered by glucose production in body. However, diet for diabetes is much more than restricting sugar and rice. There are some generalized balanced diet for diabetes sugar present, which will help you to maintain the diabetes in normal range without fearing of any side effects. We will help to prepare a diet chart for sugar control. It is considered that consuming non-vegetarian diet for diabetes is considered as harmful diet, but if you take that moderately, it won't cause us any damage to your health. Here are some healthy non-vegetarian diet plan chart for diabetes. Early morning, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds soaked overnight, gulp the seeds with water, 1 cup sugar-free tea plus 2 sugar-free biscuits. Breakfast, 2 egg whites plus 1 yolk omelette plus 1 slice multigrain bread. Morning snack, 1 fruit any of your choice rich in fiber and nutrients. Lunch, 1 cucumber plus 1 onion plus 1 chapati plus 1 cup vegetables plus 1 to 2 pieces of boiled fish or chicken. Afternoon snack, 1 cup green tea plus 1 teaspoon flax seeds roasted and grinded. Evening snack, 4 almonds plus 2 walnuts plus 2 egg whites boiled. Dinner, 1 serving lemon garlic shrimp plus 1 kiwi fruit plus 2 tablespoons low-fat yogurt. Bedtime, 1 cup milk with a pinch of cinnamon powder for healthy diet plan. Conclusion. By following this healthy non-vegetarian diet plan can helps you active and healthy lifestyle though you have diabetes, and also you have to follow exercise and consume water. Peanut butter and diabetes. Peanuts are packed with a variety of nutritious properties that may benefit people with type 2 diabetes. They are rich in unsaturated fat and protein. All natural peanut butter can make a nutritious addition to meals and snacks for individuals with diabetes. Peanut butter's low carbohydrate content keeps blood sugar under control, while its healthy fats satisfy the appetite for several hours. A diet high in magnesium is thought to offer protective benefits against the development of diabetes. Peanuts are a good source of magnesium. Natural peanut butter and peanuts are also low glycemic index foods. This means that they have a lower effect on blood sugar levels. In its natural form with no added fats, sweetness or sugars, peanut butter is considered a nutritional powerhouse. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter contain approximately 12 grams of healthy poly and monounsaturated fats and nearly 8 grams of protein. Because there is no cholesterol and very little saturated fat in peanut butter, it is also appropriate for people with cardiac problems. The carbohydrate content of peanut butter is minimal, with less than 7 grams per serving. Because of its low carbohydrate and high healthy fat and protein content, peanut butter does not elevate blood sugar. Benefits of peanuts for people with type 2 diabetes. Adding peanuts and peanut butter to your diet may be beneficial, especially if you have type 2 diabetes. While not technically nuts, peanuts provide many of the same health benefits as tree nuts such as walnuts, almonds and pecans. If you have diabetes, you need to consider the glycemic content of the foods you eat. Glycemic content is based on how quickly your body converts carbohydrates into glucose or blood sugar. The glycemic index is a 100-point scale that rates foods on how rapidly they cause blood sugar to rise. Foods that cause a rapid rise in blood sugar are given a higher value. Water, which has no effect on blood sugar, has a GI value of 0. Peanuts have a GI value of 13, which makes them a low GI food. Risks and considerations. However, it is worth bearing in mind some potential risks to people with diabetes. They may be posed by the inclusion of peanut butter in their diet. Many store-bought peanut butters will contain added sugars. People with diabetes should choose all natural peanut butters. Even low-fat peanut butters can be harmful, as these also contain more sugar than other varieties. Allergies to peanuts can be very serious. If you are allergic towards peanut, make it sure to avoid. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.